Hi, welcome to Momo's Kitchen. Today we're going to make sherbet punch. It's real easy and the kids love it. First thing, we're going to put 2 pints of sherbet in there. And we got rainbow today, strawberry, lime, and orange. I've made this through the years for baby showers and a few wedding showers. Okay, get this second one in there, and then we can start with Canada Dry. And on this recipe, don't go cheap. You want to get Bluebell sherbet and Canada Dry or Schweppes. Don't get no generics, because you can tell the difference, the big difference. Now we're going to put the ginger ale in. No, this punch goes good with cake for showers. Okay, now just stir it up here. Mash it around there. Let it set. It'll be ready to pour here in a little bit. I think I'm going to put a little bit more pop in. Okay, we're just going to let it sit here a little while and it'll be ready to drink. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more pop because it's kind of thick. You can just kind of get it however you like it. Okay, now it's ready to serve. Okay, we're just going to pour it up here. Just going to use a regular glass because I didn't think about punch glasses. Kind of messy.
Now let's enjoy this punch. Cheers! Yummy. If you like this video and want some more, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, in the comments, let us know how it turned out. We'd love to hear from you. Bye!